I'll start it now then, I guess. Okay, you going? Hey, oh, good. Oh no. Okay. Mouth noises. I hate this. It's already been 43 seconds. Okay. Oh, not the mouth noises again and the clearing the throat. Okay. G'day. This is Sarah, or Creative Rachel's sister. Today we're going to be... Oh no, I sucked it up! G'day. This is Sarah, or Creative Rachel's sister. Or Rachel's sister. I don't know why I didn't just call her Rachel. Anyway, today we are going to be doing another Sister Does My Voiceover video, and I have no idea what I'll be reacting to, so let's start the video. Okay. There's a... Oh, she's not even showing me what we're making. There's a blue ball of clay that's being rolled into a cylinder or a marshmallow. Why does it look like a cute little marshmallow? Yes, it's a marshmallow. Cool. What color is that? Like a light mint green? Yes, I'll go with that. So just roll it with your little rolling pin. Nice nails, by the way. Oh, and put the blue marshmallow down and just cut around the outsides. Make that boy nice and round. Tap him into place. And keep tapping. Now you got like a little sausage shape. Very light blue. Roll it out with your rolling pin again and cut off the ends, maybe? Oh, no. Place the marshmallow back into position. And then cut around it. Oh, and roll him up. Like a sausage roll. Cut off the other end. And now you got some toilet paper. Next, with a very, very pale blue, you're going to roll it out like a sausage and roll it into what looks to be a candy cane or a shepherd's walking stick thing. Like the Herg stick that they use. Cut it into place. Oh, we're making a mug. How cute. Alright, that's going to be the cute little handle. And now with your indentation or dotting tool, make some little indents for the eyes. And place the black clay in, which will be the eyes eventually. And with the cutest little smile you can do. You know, you can smile as well while you're making it. Put some cheeks on. What is that? I'm not... Bronx. And some Bacon Bond. Sculpey as well, I'd like to add. But you can use any brand you desire. Smooth him all around. Make sure he is nice and rounded out. Oh, add some more if you wish. If you like your hot cocoa. Get some... I think that's white clay. Oh, and some red clay. We're going to be making some stripes. I hope this is a candy cane. Let it be a candy cane. Chop off the ends and roll it back out. No, it low-key looks like a McDonald's straw now. Or some toothpaste, if you like that kind of thing. No, it is going to be a candy cane, I think, surely. Twist him around and roll him up. And just cut off a fragment of that. Cut off another little bit. Why not? If you got a massive sausage of a candy cane, why not just cut off the tiniest little bit that you can? And it's going to act as a straw? Or it's just going to look like a cute little decoration. Place that in position ever so delicately. Roll out your next piece and please let these be marshmallows. Surely. Place them all around the outside of the drink. With your dotting tool, not the indentation tool. And next with, I think that was Bacon Bond, possibly super glue, I'm not entirely sure. Oh, that zoom in effect. Scrape off some chalk and mix him all in. Why does that look like chocolate that she's scraping in? I'm not really sure. Oh, it's going to be a cute little chocolate drizzle on top. This low-key looks good. I hope she actually makes this for me in real life. Oh, you're gonna insert your little eye pin on top with your little tweezers, and there you've got it. A nice little Christmas cocoa mug. Oh, and some work zone super glue, or any kind of super glue. You're going to, you're going to bake it as well. Oh my goodness, too much is happening! Decorate the outside of the mug the way you would like it. Possibly with some cute little silver dots. And glaze that bad boy for the little shining effect. That is one shiny boy. And there you have it, a Creative Rachie special, a Christmas special, the hot cocoa or hot chocolate. Oh, she's got it in a little pine tree with some little likes. Is that our Christmas tree? Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please never make me do one of these again. Thank you.